37-year-old mechanic suspected to have taken his own life in Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 37-year-old Jermaine Morgan, a mechanic of Arnold Road, Maypen, Clarendon, is suspected to have taken his own life at his home on Friday, February 28. Reports from the Maypen police are that sometime after 10:40 p.m., Morgan's stepson found his body. The police were alerted, and on arrival, Morgan's body was removed to the morgue pending post-mortem examination. The investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.